Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in your Wells Fargo's mortgage account, and it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on, and let's move on. First thing, you want to search for Wells Fargo login mortgage, just like this. And after you search for Wells Fargo login mortgage, the first option over here where it says manage your home mortgage account, or you can also click on your mortgage dashboard. From both of this, you can choose whichever you want. I will go for this, and once you click on it, it's going to bring you over here. Once you're in this page, scroll a bit down and click on sign on. Once you click on sign on, it's going to ask you to log in into your online banking account of Wells Fargo. So just enter the username of your account, and where it says password, just enter the password of your account over here and click on sign on, and you should be able to log in into your Wells Fargo's online banking account. And once you log in into your online banking account of Wells Fargo, from your account summary page, you want to select mortgage account. Once you select mortgage account, all the information you want to know about your mortgage is going to be shown over there. So that's how you guys can log in or access your mortgage on Wells Fargo. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.